What's up, YouTube? JC News Now. I'm out here with CarTheif News and News Now Lisa. I'm not sure what's going on here. Careful. Look.
Domino's. Out here now for News Now Springfield. It's JC News Now.
Well, got a whole lane shut down on Kearney. It's a big pile of glass, ain't it? Is it? This one? Oh, it is. Oh, that's roid rage.
Yeah, roid rage. 772 by 4 all the homies are here.
Yeah.
So they got somebody in the back of a car?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this guy 7. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you guys were primary, so I switched to game.
Oh, that's him. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think there's somebody. I think there's somebody in the back of that unmarked. We're standing right there with his back to us. Isn't it him? He's a lieutenant. Yeah, she's on the way to county, I imagine. One in custody. I don't know. We're right on Kearney, y'all, at the Domino's.
Kearney and Ramsey.
Kearney and Ramsey.
They have all the doors open on the car, so they went through.
Yeah. I'm wondering if they got smacked. That car was parked right on top of it. It could have been leaking. Out here with News Now, Lisa and CarTheif News, y'all.
Like, share, and subscribe. Man, I hate that. A, he screwed up his car, and B, he screwed up dominoes.
Yeah. A big pile of glass in there on the floor.
Yep. He'd have to clean up a giant pile of glass right there.
Oh, sorry. Sure. Are you okay?
I just don't want to be on.
How are you guys tonight?
They turned in right there. They're pulling up to it beside the building.
And that, my friends, is called Schadenfreude.
I'm just wondering, did she spin out or was she coming from the other way?
I'll bet you she was making a right turn or a left turn off of Kearney. And either was going too fast to hit Ramsey or was drunk and just ran off the road.
And she was coming this way.
Yes.
Yeah,
But
that's
she
what I'm
was heading
thinking.
eastbound.
That's what I'm thinking.
I mean, based on the direction of the car, it would make sense. I'm not a crash analyst, so
Yeah.
I did pick up a whole bunch of cars that were in crashes, though.
Yeah. Now, Lisa. Mini bike squad.
What?
Mini bike squad.
Right.
We got some conduct unbecoming of officers over here chewing tobacco.
What's that?
Chewing tobacco on the job.
Oh, yeah?
Company policy.
Is it?
The Springfield PD, it's a no-no.
Which one? That one? Oh, 1, 2, 3 units here.
3 units. What'd that lady say to you when she came up?
I don't want to be on film. It's her car. I guess her
Was it
friend.
her boyfriend driving it?
I guess. She said friend.
Right.
That's your corporal right there?
Now there's one in this one over here.
He's got
Oh.
stripes and he's chewing tobacco. Oh, that's a no-no.
Yeah, I don't know if they're allowed to do that when they're on duty.
They're not allowed to do it on duty. Trust me, I know.
Still have 4 units on, so
One's a ghost. The ghost unit has computer automated dispatch open.
Why is he still blocking traffic?
no
Got
idea.
a whole lane shut down.
For nothing.
Boy, this side didn't fare as well as the other side did, for sure.
No, at all. Crunch.
That brick was the only thing that kept him from going all the way in.
Yeah.
You know, it's possible that they hit the curb when they bounced
Yeah,
and did some under damage.
yeah.
Nothing else is
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
they won't have a tow truck here for quite a while.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna skate too.
Arnie,
Yeah.
where's your boy? Does he got someone in the back of the seat?
No. I'm thinking this one's about over. Alright, y'all. Just a little misturn there. No real issues. I'm JC News Now. I'm out here with CarTheif News and News Now Springfield, aka News Now Lisa. Go check them out. Tell them JC sent you, and we're off to the next one. Peace.